Good morning. Last few hours in Bali. We are leaving tonight. We're gonna make the most out of it. And we've got Tiago over here.
Hello.
Katerina, Christiana, obviously, Jessica, Jessie, and Sesk. And what we're gonna do, Tiago?
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not sure again. It's Tirta?
Tirta.
It's a full day exploring, so let's go. We got some more
driving. It's like 2 hours driving. So
yeah.
60 kilometers. Let's go for it.
Bim, 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 bim. After a 2-hour bike journey, we've made it. I don't know how to pronounce this. What's the name, Katerina?
Pura Lempanyang.
Yeah, I've asked this question about 10 times. I cannot pronounce it. Pura Lempanyang. Yeah?
No, Lempanyang.
Lempanyang. Anyway, it's a cool temple. You'll see in a minute. Yesterday we trekked Mount Batu.
Today we trekking another mountain.
Yeah. It doesn't stop, does it? Leg day, leg day. Woo! Sweating. Come on, Sisk. Come on. After 954 steps, we made it. Well, we think we do. Hello, hello. Everyone's digging to their foods.
Everybody was starving.
Spaghetti!
We came to Tirta after driving all day. We got to this beautiful temple.
After a good lunch.
After a good lunch. Let's see.
Okay, shall we get our fishing rods?
They're massive.
Hey, yeah.
That's dinner for the 6 of us.
And Tiago, he's got a travel tip for you guys.
So if you want to buy some fish food, you can just buy it in the entrance. It's like 1,000. It's quite cheap and it's quite nice to feed the fishes. So.
And the fish love it.
Yeah, and there are a lot of them. Big.
Katrina, she's taken some amazing photos. Don't forget, Bucket on a Budget. Check them out. Instagram. You gonna feed the fishes?
Yeah.
Beautiful temple, we're about to leave. Christiana's already got her helmet, jacket on, bit chilly. How was the temple, guys?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, it's 2 hours now, back to Ubud.
Everyone is very tired after the trekking yesterday, so...
Okay, see you guys back in Ubud for dinner.
So basically this was our day in Bali, our last day in Bali with all our friends. They're all here. We have to say goodbye to them today. We're gonna go to the airport today. We're gonna go to the airport now.
Yeah, you just booked Grab
to go, and we're gonna go to our next destination, so keep tuned to see where we're heading.
Saying goodbye
Nice
to Jessica. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
To Sesk.
Keep our contacts and
We'll see you guys around somewhere around the world.
yeah, exactly.
We had a great time with you guys.
Yeah, and the Grab is outside, so you have
Okay, it's time to move on.
Ciao, ciao.
Ça va? Va, ciao. It's good to go, but it's sad when you leave your friends, isn't it? That's life.
Life goes on.
Yeah, that's life. Traveling, you meet amazing people, but you have to carry on. But that's how it goes. We're on to our next destination. I think it's our 8th country in Southeast Asia. 19th in total.
So we came to a quiet area in the airport, just to let you know that today was a big day. We woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and yesterday, which is not on this video, it's a different video, so go and watch it. We were trekking Mount Batur. It was amazing, and we are completely knackered. And after a long day today, we're taking a flight. All we can say right now is we're flying with Air Asia. So
we're gonna finish this video over here, and don't forget to subscribe.